The walk was, honestly, I didn't think it was that hard, but it was really, really cool to just walk on that path that so many other ancient people had walked on and stuff. And then it's really interesting to see. It looks different in like in the bright sun and in the early dawn, and it was just really amazing. The mountains were so cool, so misty. It's just like so mysterious that no one knew that it was there for how long.
Cheers. The beer is well worth it afterwards.
We've had a really long 4 days with like the biking and the rafting and the hiking like 20 kilometers every day, but it's been really worth it, for sure.
It was well worth it, every bit of it. It was amazing.
Very nice.
Yeah.
We're making the same face.
Did you have a favorite aspect of Machu Picchu, or particular time of day? Or?
I'd say right when we first got there, and Aurelio just kind of sat us down, and the sun was just about to start coming up, and it was just a magical moment.
And Aurelio was your guide, right?
Yeah, Aurelio was the guide.
And how would you rate him as a guide?
Like 100 out of 10.
Yeah.
A million. He's 1 in a million. He's so good.
Aurelio was amazing. He's amazing. He's so
awesome
passionate
guy.
about what he does, and he loves, the Incan culture and sharing it with everybody.
Yeah,
He loves Peru.
It was really funny, and he really got to know us and got on our level. So
Nice.
Yeah.
Now, did he conduct the tour, or did somebody else conduct it?
No, he did it.
Yeah.
He did it.
Yeah, he did it, and then he gave us kind of free time after, and he pointed us in the direction that we needed to be in. He was like, so for your free time, go like over there's the Condor Temple, because we got to see, we saw the Sun Temple and the Water Temple and the Moon Temple with him, and he kind of went through it all with us, and then he was like, over there's the Condor Temple, go explore it yourself.
Yeah.
And then we did a whole bunch of exploring after you're allowed to go out and come back in, so we went out, got a snack, came back in, and then we were lying in the grass, and this like llama comes like right up to us, literally steps over me to like get to some yummier grass. And all the llamas were so cool, and there's like 3 babies there right now, and they're so cute. Like that little baby was, oh my god.
Oh, very soft.
They're so fluffy.
yeah. Also, it's just like immense. Like I knew it was big, but
Yeah. That surprised me too. I thought, oh, ruins, whatever.
ruins.
And,
you don't realize how big it is until you actually see it.
Giant maze.
And it's hard to even get a view where you can see it all at once.
Yeah.
Like, how is it so big and so mazy, and all the rocks are so cool, and they fit together so well, and it's just like,
It's a mesmerizing place for sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
No picture ever does it justice. You just have to go and feel it,
You
really.
would have to go through with a guide
Right.
because
Yeah.
they tell you everything that you need to know.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm glad you guys had such a good experience there.
yeah, it was really awesome.
Okay, cool.
Amazing.
All right.